Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, 8 speakers, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.